In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your affiliate link in Capterra to promote WP Engine in 2025. First, you'll want to open up your browser. In the address bar, go ahead and type in affiliate.capterra.com. Once you've reached the Capterra affiliate program page, if you don't have an account yet, you'll need to click the Join Now button. However, if you're already part of the program, simply click on Login to proceed with the process. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your email and password. Once you're logged in, you'll be redirected to your affiliate dashboard. This is your hub for managing all your affiliate tasks. From here, we'll move to the Advertisers or Programs tab. This is where you'll find what you need to start promoting. Use the search bar and type in WP Engine to find their specific program. Once you've located WP Engine in the search results, you'll want to click on it. At this point, you're looking for the option to join program or apply to program. Click that button, and now you just need to wait for WP Engine's approval, which may take anywhere from a few hours to a few days. After receiving approval, you'll need to return to your dashboard and open the WP Engine section. Here, you'll spot your unique affiliate link, either under Tracking Links or Get Link. Make sure to copy this link carefully, as it's the key to earning those commissions. Now that you have your affiliate link, it's time to start promoting it. Feel free to integrate it into your blog posts, YouTube video descriptions, social media accounts, or email campaigns. Whenever someone signs up for WP Engine, through your link, you will earn a commission, making the promotion worthwhile. If you're someone who also wants to integrate this into a WordPress site, start by logging into your WordPress dashboard. In the left sidebar, click on Appearance, followed by Theme File Editor. A warning might pop up. Just click I understand to proceed. Your next step is to locate the theme files related to WP Travel Engine, or your active theme, and you're specifically looking for files like singletrip.php or contenttrip.php. It's highly recommended that you copy these template files to your child theme to ensure your changes aren't lost during theme updates. Then you can go ahead and make the necessary modifications. Some coding knowledge might be needed here to make tweaks in HTML, CSS, or PHP. Once you're satisfied with your changes and have saved them, refresh your trip page on the front end to see the updated layout. Finally, always conduct a test run on both desktop and mobile devices to ensure everything looks as intended. Adjust margins, padding, or even font sizes if necessary to maintain a great visual appeal across all platforms. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to obtaining and utilizing your Capterra affiliate link to promote WP Engine effectively.